See, there in Shushmana, there is no up, there is no down. Because time and space, time and space is only in Ida and Pingala.
Oh, yes.
In Shushmana, there is no time, there is no space.
Oh.
Only when awareness, only when breath, prana, is in the Ida and Pingala, and then you experience time and space. But when the Shushmana is activated, Ida and Pingala stops. And in the Shushmana, time and space collapses. Because time and space collapses, there is no up, there is no down. There is no left, there is no right. There's just is space. Okay, now your eyes open, right? Your eyes open. Okay, can you see left? Can you see right? Can you experience left and right? Okay, you can see it, right? Okay, now I ask you to close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, imagine you have forgotten about what is left and what is right. Right? Now, can you see left? Can you see right? Eyes closed. You don't know what is left, what is right. You open your eyes. Open your eyes. See, when you open your eyes, you know left, you know right. You know, you can touch, you can see, you know up, you know below, right? But when you close your eyes, you only have a memory of left and right, but you don't know left and right. You see, when you close your eyes, you just have the memory of left and right. You cannot experience left and right.
Exactly, yes.
Okay? So, in Shushmana, when Shushmana activated, even your memory is not there. So you have no sense of what is left, what is right. You become all pervading. You are everywhere. You see, now your eyes open, you see the computer, right? And then your sight, your sight ends at the screen, right? Your sight ends at the screen. If you look straight, there's a wall. Your sight ends at the wall. You can see a distance, right?
Right.
But now I ask you to close your eyes. There's no distance. You only have memory of distance.
Yes.
You cannot experience distance when eyes close, because and the darkness is everywhere. It's on the left, it's on the right, or it's up, down. You cannot distinguish.
Right.
You cannot see distance. There's no distance also. You can have memory of distance when the eyes are closed, but you cannot experience distance with your senses.
Yes.
Okay, open your eyes. So now you are not in meditation, so you can experience this. But imagine when you are really in meditation, how will that be? The world changes. There's a collapsing of left and right, collapsing of hell and heaven, collapsing, everything collapses. All your ideas, all your concepts about the world, your past, present, and future doesn't exist there. So nobody comes down and nobody goes up, because there's no up, there's no down. If you understand.
So, no Shiva or Shakti, no Shiva, no Shakti.
When you in Shushmana, you see, in Shushmana, They are not two. They are only two when Ida and Pingala is there. In Shushmana, there's no Shiva, there's no Shakti. There is only one. Ik Oankar. Only one. Unity.
Unite the cosmos. No.
It's
No.
just everything. Everything. No name thing. You know the mantra Gobinde Mukande?
Yes.
So the mantra Gobinde Mukande, Udare, Apare, Haryam Karyam, and Nirname. Nirname means that experience cannot be named.
Yes.
You cannot give it a name. So no Shiva, no Shakti. No left, no right. No hell, no heaven. All this is the play of Ida and Pingala, play of time and space. In Shushmana open, you cannot explain it. You cannot bring it to words.